What going again on Unstoppable Family? So people more want to watch a video with me because me I try to find out if I mean I see good or if me actually see where me think me see. Seeing? So on forward. Watch this with me.
Police up half a cheap premise, he gun there, pepper spray on the phone. Police, see that police, don't yourself. Police.
Alright. Now, wanna see where me think me see or me wrong. Was there actually a gun in the street? Was there actually a gun in the street? Gun and pepper spray. Now, first of all, let me say this. That officer should be taken off the force. I know as them like to say, a probe will be launched. He should be, the situation, the incident should be investigated while he is suspended. And after them complete them investigation, he should be fired. I'm going to tell you why I say so. Because that officer don't know how to use the little bit of brain cell we have. First of all, that deadly weapon should not have been left lying in the middle of the street. That is the first thing. The gun should not have been left lying in the middle of the street. If him a try to apprehend a suspect and his weapon drop a ground, the first thing him supposed to do is turn around and pick up him gun and then go after the criminal. You can't left your gun a ground in the middle of a busy street where all kind of people, all kind of civilians walking around. Come on, common sense alone should tell you that. But that is also something that they should teach you in the force. See? Common sense should tell you, you know. But that is something that they should also teach them. That if your gun drop a ground, you're not just left your gun laying in the middle of the street where anybody can pick it up. No, more want to take a listen to what the brother with a record say, you know.
Police up half a cheap premise, he gun there.
Him call the name of a school. That simply means kids possibly was in the area. Now what if a child had seen that gun on the street and pick it up? Just out of curiosity. A child had seen it and pick it up. What if a criminal was passing by and see the gun and take it and run before the police realize we're going? What would happen then? Would you see how much things could have gone? See it? What would happen then? This officer wrong in every way. Now, me know someone going to say about Unstoppable. We don't know what go on. We don't know why him did in the taxi or wrestle with the man or whatever. The point of the matter is we don't need to know what led to the gun being on the ground. We don't need to know that much. We only need to know, say, the officer should have made it his point of duty to turn around and pick up the gun before him even go tussle with the man in a taxi or in the vehicle with them did in that tussling. See it? Boy, may I tell you, people, more want to talk to me down below in the comment section because this level of stupidity, no man, I really hope them really take him off of the force. For that, yes, for that. I know. People talk to me, come on for hear for no opinion on this. Because you don't know what I always tell you, no, for no opinion matters. We don't want stupid police like that on the streets. Me gone.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.